Good day, everyone. At this point, we will have an explanation about the elements that I included in my poster. So first, the image depicts a contrasting view of land management, which illustrating both degradation and restoration, with the central theme, land restoration. First is the upper half, the restoration and healthy ecosystems, which there are a hand that gently cradling the earth or nature. It symbolizes protection, care, and active involvement in nurturing the environment. The lush green landscapes, flowing rivers, and thriving forests represents healthy, restored ecosystems, biodiversity, and the positive outcomes of land restoration efforts. This shows what's being aimed for in land restoration, to return its vibrant and functioning natural state. Next is the lower half, or the degradation of human impact, the hands holding industrial elements or pollution. So this hand represents the human activities leading to environmental damage, such as industrial pollution or unsustainable resource extraction from human activities. The stumps of felled trees and barren, cracked earth illustrates deforestation, soil degradation, and the negative consequences of land misuse. The need for restoration. These elements show the problems that land restoration seeks to address and reverse. At the most center part, the central earth, which divides the line. The earth at the center emphasizes that the entire planet is impacted by both degradation and restoration efforts. The clear division between the upper and lower half visually contrasts the state of degraded environment with a restored one, underscoring the transformation that land restoration aims to achieve, and it also represents the choice and the potential for change. That would be all. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.